Hi everyone. In this short video, we're going to explore one of the most prominent and powerful muscles of the upper body, the pectoralis major. Whether you're a student of anatomy, a fitness enthusiast, or just curious, this overview will walk you through its key features, attachments, functions, and more. The pectoralis major, often simply called the pec, is a thick, fan-shaped muscle located on the front of the chest. It's responsible for much of the contour of the male chest and is also present in females, though typically less prominent. It lies superficial to the pectoralis minor. The pectoralis major has two heads. The clavicular head originates from the medial half of the clavicle. The sternocostal head originates from the sternum, the upper 6 costal cartilages, and the aponeurosis of the external oblique muscle. Both heads converge to insert into the lateral lip of the intertubercular sulcus, bicipital groove, of the humerus. The pectoralis major is a powerful adductor, flexor, and medial rotator of the humerus. Here's what that means. It adducts the arm, bringing it toward the body. It flexes the shoulder, especially via the clavicular head. It medially rotates the arm, turning it inward. Think of movements like pushing, throwing, or doing a bench press. All involve the pec major. Blood supply comes mainly from the pectoral branch of the thoracoacromial artery, a branch of the axillary artery. Additional blood may come from the lateral thoracic artery and internal thoracic artery. The muscle is innervated by two nerves. The lateral pectoral nerve, C5-C7, and the medial pectoral nerve, CHT1. Both branches of the brachial plexus. These nerves ensure coordinated contraction of both heads. So to recap, the pectoralis major is a powerful chest muscle with multiple roles in shoulder movement. It originates from the clavicle and sternum, inserts on the humerus, and plays a key role in pushing and lifting actions. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on anatomy and health. See you next time.